Imagine you are at your desk, sipping coffee, and you get a mail that says your Amazon package is delayed. Click here to track. You click, and that's it. Game over. Your data is gone, your bank account emptied, and your crush still ignoring you. Welcome to the world of phishing.
Bro, I thought phishing was like fishing with snacks.
This video will not only explain phishing but shows you how it works, how people fall for it, how to stay safe, and even how you can ethically learn it. So stay till the end or click the next link, which might be your last click. What is phishing? Phishing is a type of cyber attack where hackers trick you into giving up sensitive information. It's like digital con game. They pretend to be someone you trust, like your bank, a delivery company, or even your best friend.
Imagine getting a mail from Netflix saying your account has been suspended. You panic and you click. Boom, they got your password. Phishing types: email spoofing, fake websites, social engineering, SMS phishing.
How phishing works? Let's break it down. First, they make a fake website which looks like exactly the real one, and then they send you mail like, "Hey Vision, you are the player of the month. You just have won RDR2. Click here to claim it." When you click and enter your ID password, boom, you just have sent your ID and pass to the hacker.
Data filtration in progress. Payload delivered. Mission completed.
How you can fall for phishing? Anyone can fall for phishing. It's not about being a dumb. It's about being emotional or unaware.
Hackers put you into a situation.
How to stay safe from phishing? So, how do you defend yourself? Number 1. Always double check URLs. Number 2. Never click links from unknown emails or DMs. Number 3. Use two-factor authentication. Even if your password gets leaked, it will add a barrier.
And 4. Don't trust email that sound like they were written during panic attack.
Download useful browser extensions like Netcraft, Microsoft Defender, Avira, Bitdefender. How to learn phishing ethically? If you want to go deeper, you can learn phishing platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, or create phishing simulation in your lab environment. Start phishing by learning how email headers work, SPF and DKIM records, URL, browser payload. Understanding phishing makes you 10x harder to hack.
Just don't go all dark side. Be like white hat, not phishing Voldemort.
Permission granted. Let's begin ethically.
One wrong click can cost your identity, your money, and your peace of mind. But the right click, like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe. That click could protect someone.
See you in the next video.